This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Nancy Rasmussen. Beautiful setting in Jewell. Great floor plan with flex space. 2,955 square feet. With 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms on 6.02 serene acres. Main floor offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms plus kitchen, living room, and dining room. The lower level offers 2 bedrooms, plus a kitchenette/5th bedroom option. Bring your tools/hobbies for the outbuildings, 1,680 square feet. Shop, 360 square feet. Potting building and 160 square feet. Chicken coop. Relax on the main floor deck and enjoy the serene, beautiful views of the surrounding farmland and mountains. You won't want to miss this home. For more information